Welcome to our channel Healthy Life. In this video, we will talk about 21 delicious and healthy keto snacks. Before starting this video, I just quickly want to recommend my favorite keto resources that I think you will also love. The first one is to get 200 fat shredding keto recipes for free. I would also like to recommend you to get your custom keto diet designed to get you in shape in the fastest way possible. Check the links down in the description below. Let's start our video. 21 delicious and healthy keto snacks. Many popular snack foods have too many carbs to easily fit into a keto diet plan. This can be particularly frustrating when you're trying to ward off that between meal hunger. If you've found yourself in this nutritional predicament, don't worry. There are many low-carb snack options that are just as healthy as they are delicious. This article outlines 21 keto-friendly snacks to include in your next meal plan. 1. Mini frittatas. Mini frittatas, or egg muffins, are a great keto-friendly snack that's easy to prepare and fully customizable. All you need to get started is a dozen eggs, standard 12-cup muffin pan, mixing bowl, and an oven. To begin, beat the eggs in a bowl and season with a little salt and pepper. Distribute the egg mixture evenly between each muffin cup and add your preferred low-carb ingredients like spinach, mushrooms, tomatoes, or cheese. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until set. Exact nutrition information varies depending on what you add to your recipe, but a basic version will likely provide about 90 calories, 6 grams of protein, and 5 grams of fat per frittata. Store them in the refrigerator so you can easily grab a couple on your way, or bake a few batches and freeze them for later. 2. Caprese-salad skewers. Caprese-salad is a classic Italian favorite, and when you assemble the ingredients on skewers, it turns into a great portable snack. Preparing it is as easy as alternating pieces of fresh mozzarella cheese, basil leaves, and cherry tomatoes onto skewers. Eat it plain or mix a little balsamic vinegar and olive oil for dipping. 1 6-inch, 15.2 centimeters, Caprese-salad skewer provides about 80 calories, 6 grams of protein, and 5 grams of fat, not including dipping sauce. 3. Caesar salad bites. If you're a fan of Caesar salad, you'll love these mini Caesar salad bites. You can use romaine lettuce if you want to keep it classic, but a heartier type of green like kale holds up better if you're not planning to eat them right away. Make individual cups to hold the salad by heating tablespoon-sized portions of grated Parmesan cheese on a parchment-lined baking pan. Bake until the cheese has melted and is starting to brown. Let the melted cheese portions cool slightly before placing each over the bottom side of a mini muffin pan, lightly pressing the cheese into the shape of the muffin cups. Let them cool completely, and they'll turn into small, edible, crispy cups. Toss the greens with your favorite dressing and portion into each Parmesan cup. In lieu of croutons, top with roasted pumpkin seeds or pistachios for extra crunch. For more protein, add chopped chicken or smoked salmon. 4. Cajun-style shrimp and bell pepper kebabs. Shrimp are a great source of heart-healthy omega-3 fats. They're also lower in mercury than other types of seafood, making them a healthy and keto-friendly snack option. First, use a Cajun-style dry rub on the shrimp. Place the seasoned shrimp on skewers, alternating with thick slices of fresh bell pepper. Bake or grill the kebabs until the shrimp is fully cooked and the peppers are crisp tender. Serve right away, or store in the refrigerator until you're ready to eat. 5. Veggie sticks with nut butter. Pairing fresh or lightly cooked vegetables with your favorite nut butter is one of the simplest, nutrient-rich snacks you can make. Nuts are loaded with heart-healthy fats, and research suggests that regularly eating nuts may support blood sugar control and weight loss. A 2 tablespoon, 34-gram, serving of nut butter typically contains 15 to 20 grams of fat, depending on the type of nuts used. Dip raw carrots and celery in almond butter or try lightly steamed or grilled broccoli drizzled with peanut butter. If you're not making your own nut butter, be sure to check the label of the type you purchase, as some recipes contain added sugar. The best and healthiest nut butters only require one ingredient: nuts. 6. Salmon salad celery boats. Salmon is not only a good source of omega-3 fats and protein but also vitamin D, a nutrient many people don't get enough of. A 3.5-ounce, 99-gram, serving of canned salmon provides over half of the reference daily intake, RDI, of vitamin D, and it can quickly be made into a salad that suits a keto diet. Combine cooked salmon and mayonnaise to make a simple, keto-friendly salad. You can customize the recipe by adding fresh herbs, spices, garlic, or lemon. Serve the salmon salad stuffed into fresh celery stalks for an extra nutrient boost and satisfying crunch. 7. Keto sushi rolls. Keto sushi rolls are excellent nutrient-rich snacks that come together in as little as 15 minutes. All you need is a pack of nori seaweed sheets and some uniformly chopped veggies and fish to use for filling. You can use raw, sushi-grade fish, but it's not necessary. Smoked fish or no fish at all, plus lots of veggies like avocado, bell pepper, and cucumber, will work just as well. To boost the fat content, you can add cream cheese or serve it with a spicy peanut sauce. Just make sure it doesn't contain added sweetener. To assemble the sushi, simply lay out the nori and dampen the edges with a little water. Lay your filling on the nori sheet and roll it tightly. Slice it into bite-sized pieces or eat it like a wrap. 8. Collard green sandwich wraps. Collard greens are loaded with essential nutrients, including folate, calcium, and vitamins K, C, and A. What's more, their large, hearty leaves lend themselves well to a low-carb sandwich wrap. After trimming the stems, place the collards in a pot of simmering water for 20 to 30 seconds. Remove them from the pot and place immediately into a bowl of ice water for a few seconds. Pat them dry with a clean towel and begin making your sandwich wraps. Fill your wraps with fresh herbs, avocado, chicken salad, tuna salad, sliced turkey, roasted veggies, or cream cheese. 9. Avocado-egg salad. Avocados are loaded with heart-healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and anti-inflammatory compounds. Some research even suggests they may promote healthy aging. Using avocado as a substitute for mayonnaise in traditional egg salad is a great way to boost the nutritional content of this classic dish, while still keeping your snack keto compatible. Combine a few diced, hard-boiled eggs, mashed avocado, minced red onion, and a bit of salt and pepper. Serve with lettuce wraps, celery sticks, or thick slices of cucumber and radish. 10. Veggie sticks with guacamole. Guacamole makes a great, portable, and healthy keto snack, as avocados are loaded with fat, fiber, and a hefty dose of essential nutrients. In fact, avocados provide 15 grams of fat and almost 30% of the RDI of fiber per 3.5 cup, 100 gram, serving. To make guacamole, simply mash a ripe avocado and combine with lime juice, diced red onion, and salt and pepper. Fresh jalapeno makes an excellent addition, too. If you're not up for making your own, you can buy pre-made and individually packaged guacamole. Although guacamole is good to eat by itself, you can also use sweet bell peppers, red radishes, celery, or broccoli for dipping. 11. Bone broth. If you crave something light and warming, bone broth makes a perhaps unexpected but tasty snack option for keto dieters. Unlike traditional broth, bone broths are cooked longer and typically contain more protein. Some commercially prepared bone broths contain up to 10 grams of protein per 8-ounce, 237 ml, serving. Bone broths don't typically contain much fat, but you can easily augment this by adding coconut oil, butter, or ghee. You can make your own bone broth on the stovetop or with a slow cooker or pressure cooker. Make a big batch and freeze it in individual servings that are easy to heat up when you crave a warm, comforting snack. If you opt for a commercially prepared brand, be sure to check the ingredient label, as some of them contain added sweeteners and are high in sodium. 12. Keto smoothies. If you follow a keto diet and thought smoothies would be forever off limits due to their typically high carb content, you're in luck. You can make keto-friendly smoothies using coconut, avocado, and nut butter as a base to boost fat content and provide a creamy texture. Small amounts of low-carb fruits, such as berries, lime, or lemon, may be used in a keto smoothie, but you should also include nutrient-dense veggies like spinach, cucumber, kale, or jicama. Other flavorful additions are cacao, cinnamon, vanilla extract, or flavored protein powders. If you're looking for something sweet, you can add a keto-approved sweetener like stevia or monk fruit. 13. Mixed nuts. Nuts are full of protein, fat, fiber, and plant compounds that offer a variety of health benefits. In fact, some research associates a higher intake of nuts with a reduced risk of heart disease and cancer-related death. A quarter cup, 28 grams, of mixed nuts provides approximately 15 grams of fat, 5 grams of protein, and 2 grams of fiber. You can buy pre-packaged mixed nuts or build your own mix using your favorites. If you go for the pre-made option, be sure to check the label for any added ingredients that don't fit into your diet plan. Almonds, cashews, Brazil nuts, pistachios, walnuts, and pecans are good options for your own keto-friendly trail mix. Other nutritious additions are sunflower seeds, hemp hearts, cacao nibs, and coconut. 14. Fermented vegetables. Fermented vegetables, or pickles, are a great keto snack option, especially if you're trying to include more probiotics in your diet. Research suggests that eating fermented foods that contain beneficial bacteria may promote healthy digestive function and reduce your risk of diabetes and heart disease. Fermented vegetables can be purchased or made at home. You can ferment almost any type of vegetable, including cabbage, cucumbers, carrots, cauliflower, beets, and green beans. For added fat, pair your fermented veggie snack with herbed full-fat creme fraiche. 15. Olives. Olives have long been praised for their rich supply of heart-healthy fats, which is just one reason why they make a great keto snack. Olives also contain vitamin E, fiber, and other health-promoting plant compounds that may reduce inflammation and prevent chronic diseases like osteoporosis. A 3.5-ounce, 100-gram, serving of olives provides roughly 115 calories, 11 grams of fat, and 6 grams of carbs, half of which come from fiber. You can enjoy them plain or stuff them with feta or gorgonzola cheese to add some extra fat. 16. Fat bombs. Fat bomb is a term coined by keto dieters to describe low-carb, dessert-style energy bites that satisfy your sweet tooth. Fat bombs are often made using coconut oil, nut butter, avocado, or cream cheese as the base. Other ingredients are added to create delicious flavor profiles. Dark chocolate and peanut butter is a popular combination, but the possibilities are limitless. You can purchase these delicious, portable snacks or make them at home. 17. Buffalo cauliflower bites. Try a healthy, vegetarian twist on classic buffalo wings by swapping the chicken for fiber-rich cauliflower. In addition to fiber, cauliflower contains vitamin C and other antioxidant compounds that can reduce inflammation and promote your health. To make these tasty wings, toss chopped cauliflower with your favorite buffalo sauce and melted butter. Roast in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes or, if you have an air fryer, now is the time to put it to work. Serve with carrot sticks and a side of ranch or blue cheese dressing to complete your buffalo wing experience. 18. Flax crackers with cheese. For many keto dieters, crackers are usually off the menu, but they don't have to be. Ground flax seeds are loaded with fiber and omega-3 fats, and they make a great base for keto-friendly crackers. Pair the crackers with sliced cheese, and you've got a healthy and delicious keto snack that requires very little preparation. You can make flax crackers yourself or skip the baking process and buy a bag instead. 19. Coconut yogurt. Yogurt is a great source of probiotics, which can support healthy digestive function. Coconut yogurt has been making waves as a popular dairy-free alternative to traditional yogurt, and some types are also suitable for a ketogenic diet. 20. Stuffed mushrooms. Mushrooms are low in carbs and provide important nutrients, including selenium, potassium, vitamin D, and several B vitamins. For a tasty keto snack, try stuffing button mushroom caps with herbed cream cheese or ground sausage. For a different twist, turn portobello mushroom caps into mini margarita pizzas by stuffing them with tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, and fresh basil before baking until tender and golden. 21. Meatball sliders. Traditional meatball sandwiches are high in carbs because of the bun. However, you can replace the bun with lettuce for keto meatball sliders. Mix your favorite ground meat with eggs, garlic, herbs, and Parmesan cheese, shape into balls, and bake. These keto-friendly meatballs can be eaten right away or frozen for later. When you're ready to dig in, place the meatballs in the lettuce buns for a high-protein, low-carb snack. For an extra dose of fat, serve them with a tomato garlic aioli for dipping. The bottom line. It can be difficult to find keto-friendly snacks that are not only tasty but also healthy. Fortunately, there are a variety of delicious homemade and store-bought options from which to choose. Try them all, or pick the ones that best fit your taste and lifestyle. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it. Click the links in the description for recommended keto resources. If you like this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe.